People are making millions of dollars, okay, millions of dollars selling SVG files. And that's an easy way for you to get started creating digital passive income online with Etsy. And so I'm going to share with you 3 things you need to focus on to actually generate passive income online with Etsy, and how you are able to create systems that can benefit you financially in the future. We're going to talk about all that coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to make passive income online by creating and selling your own digital products online. And so if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want a more comprehensive step-by-step guide of how to go from no product listing to your first digital product you're actually able to sell online with Etsy, check out my link in my description box below, because I take you through my step-by-step guide of actually how to do every single step essentially to help your products get sold online. So check out my link down below. Passive income online with Etsy. I just want to be clear about this. It's all about you creating a digital product one time, and then it has the potential to make money for you multiple times in the future. And many people want that, right? You might be that person that wants that multiple incomes in the future. But however, we get stuck on that first initial step of, okay, how do I actually create a product that is proven to sell? How can I create systems so that I don't necessarily have to be physically present for products to sell? That's why on my channel, I am a firm believer that the best product that can generate passive income for you is a digital based product. Now, sure, you can sell print on demand products and you can create some type of passive income in that way. However, one of the most hands-off and easy ways to get started with passive income selling things on Etsy is by creating digital products. And the first thing you want to create is a Canva template. Now, Canva templates are where you are able to create a template on Canva with different designs and different fonts and different styles, and you are able to give the usage opportunities to the buyer through a link. Now, the Canva templates are cool because these are things that can cover anything from Instagram templates, business guide templates, financial templates, journal templates. I mean, the list can go on and on. The cool thing about Etsy is that people already know that they can buy a digital product if they go there. When you come to Etsy, there's already a population of people who come with the mindset of, I want a digital product, and the best place for me to get it is on Etsy. And so by creating Canva templates, you are actually able to create a digital product from the comfort of your home to actually sell online. And there's many people right now who's making thousands of dollars by creating Canva templates. Now, what's pretty cool is that if you check out my link in my description box below, Canva actually will allow you to use their platform and all of the cool things with it for 30 days for free. Now, Canva, you can use for free to create products. However, if you want to create Canva templates, you have to have a monthly subscription. If you use this 30-day free trial, you're actually able to go from no product to Canva template to actually listing that on Etsy and making some money all within the span of 30 days. And so if you want to get started with Etsy by creating Canva templates, I would encourage you to check out my link down in my description box below. That link is actually tied to a training I'm going to give you. Simply just sign up through my link with Canva, email me letting me know that you actually purchased Canva, and I will share with you my training of how to actually get started with your first digital product. You can also create something called SVG File. And so this is cool because you are actually able to create a design in Canva, save it as a PNG, save it as an SVG. You can actually upload that design on Etsy where you are actually able to sell that. Now, what's pretty cool about these SVG files is that you don't necessarily have to worry about having a Canva template. These are things you create as a design. It might be a cool font, might be a cool phrase. It might be different elements pushed together, mashed together. Again, the goal here is that you want to take what Canva gives you and create your own design. Now, you can go through all the rules of how to use Canva elements, but the point here that they make really known is you want to create something from your own design, right? You want to pair up different elements, pair up different designs, and then add value to your own design. So you just can't upload a PNG rainbow from Canva's elements to sell as your own design. That's not necessarily adding value to the things that are there. However, adding some text, adding multiple elements to actually create a unique design is where you are actually able to create something of your own. Now, the third place I believe you can actually make a ton of passive income online as a beginner is by creating text-based Canva templates, business resumes, your budget trackers, your realtor welcome guides and pamphlets. These text-based profitable products are where you're actually able to come in a low competitive space that is really doing well right now. And for some people, this might be a little bit easier creating text-based products because you are just aligning text in a particular format to make sure that it's giving the most value to the customer by giving essential things that need to be there. So like business resumes, realtor pamphlets, all of these things can generate passive income online if you know how to present them. Now, what's pretty good about creating text-based products is that for one item, you can sell it for $10, for $15, for $20. It's just based upon how much value you give to the customer. Now, with all these products I'm telling you about, one bonus tip I can give to you for you to actually start making income right now and differentiate your product from everyone else is by giving a bundle. A bundle is so huge because people are already coming to buy items from Etsy. But the issue is they go from this listing to that product. And you want to make sure that you are making the step from checkout very easy for the customer. And the way you do that is by identifying all the best sellers in your area. You might do Instagram templates. You might do business resumes. The whole point is identify all the best sellers or at least 10 best sellers in your particular category and think about how can I generate one product listing that takes the benefit of all those listings and make it into one. That means you identify every best-selling item, you put it into one listing. I'm not talking about copy, but you are putting all of the main essential points and product placements of every single product listing and generating one listing where that person can check out with you. And so this is where you are able to, yes, win in a competitive space because you are generating more value for the customer by aligning every single product in your bundle with things that's already proven to sell. Now, if you want a more step-by-step guide again of how to actually create your first product, then check out my link in my description box below. It is totally free for you to learn my step-by-step process of going from no product to your first digital product. So check out my link in my description box below if you want to get started creating your first digital product today. Now, in this video, I didn't have time to talk about the importance of pulling in the buyer by using the right mock-up images. However, if you want to check out that next essential step to actually convert that shopper into a buyer, then check out how to create engaging mock-up listings for your digital products that communicate the value as well as stop the scroll in search. This is the key component of how you are able to increase your conversions by communicating the value of your product in your images and not just leaving it in your description area. So if you want to check out that video, then check it out here. Now, as always, my friends, if you got any value from today's video, let me know by hitting a like down below. And as always, I will see you in the next video.